we're talking about the effects. Now let's say to the whole scene, I want to change the color, I want to give some effects. That's what we're doing. So here I've created a new layer, and let's say I'll place that layer on the top. So I'll double click and I'll rename it as lens flare effect. Okay. Now we'll apply black color because this thing will be more visible on the black color. It is not applied on the empty layer. So for this, again, you have to go to filter, and this time again render. And in render again, you'll find different effects. So here I'll take lens flare. This is how you'll get your lens flare window. This is the source. So you can pick and select which way you want your source to be. So you can point your source from here. Let's say I want in this direction. So this is how in this direction you'll get your lens flare effect. You can adjust the brightness. Let's say I keep my brightness 90% and set that frame from there. The lens scale, I've taken the first one, and this is how you will get the lens flare effect, right? This is how you will find it here. Now I want to apply this lens flare effect to my whole scene here, okay, to my whole image here. So we know blending mode now. So what I'll do is I'll go to normal, and from here we'll see different blending modes, and we'll see using which mode are like we're getting the good effect of this lens flare effect, as well as to the whole image. We'll see that everything looks good in that. So one by one I'll try from here. See that, okay, fine, this is how here is the source of your light, but the effect is not clearly visible. So when I've come to screen little bit, I can see here. If I come to color dodge, this part is more like properly it's visible, and see even the source has become a bit bright here. Linear dodge, if I select, see from color dodge, linear dodge, the effect is more properly visible, right? Like this. I can even find see the effect till here. The tree and this part, the color is changing. It's coming on top of this human figure also. Here we can find it. So you can decide in this manner where you're getting the good effect. Okay, let's see other also. Overlay, no. Right, so I think color dodge or linear dodge looks good, but in linear dodge, it's quite visible. So I'll go with linear dodge, right? And if you find it a bit dark, so now you can adjust the opacity if you want. So this is how we've added lens flare effect here. Clear everyone till here? Is it clear? Everything?
Yes. Yeah.
Okay, great.
To understand amazing topics in interesting ways, drop down to our website. Link is in the description.